Hey, this is Hans the Rominator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something new. Today I'm going to make something fancy, but I'm also going to be ending up doing a mukbang of it with none of this stuff on it. I'll do that, I think, Thursday. Yeah. What do I got? Yeah, baby. Tapatio extra spicy ramen noodle soup. I went and I can't remember who sent it to me, but it's this neat link I have, and I can see the top 100 new items in the noodle and soup category on Amazon, which is really cool. And there was that. And I've worked with these guys before. The company that makes these is called United Exchange Corporation. And they, I just emailed my old contact. Apparently my old contact isn't there anymore, but now I met a new contact, and she was more than happy to send me some samples and a snazzy shirt. You can get one of these shirts on their website too. So that's cool. I know a lot of people really like Tapatio. I think it's pretty good. So yeah, adding in the spicy, and then we gotta add some water in. But look at the spicy. Look at that spicy. Raw. Okay. So there's the line. This one smells really good. I'm stoked. Cover it up for one of those 3 minutes. Now let's quickly go and do our little nugget of wisdom from the guy who invented the instant noodle, Momofuku Ando, from the book that took me 10 years to finally get a copy of. Alright, quote number 27. The number of objections raised against a patent is a good measure of its merit. A patent granted over objections is strongest. Okay. I'm really not too hip on the whole patent thing, and well, I don't know if we should patent that. I don't know. Well, we'll do it anyway. No. That's the best. Okay. So yeah, my wife and I, we on Saturday, actually we brought the kids with us too. We don't leave them at home. They're 3 and 5, you know. But we went and got on the Burt Gilman Trail and walked from here down to Seattle and back, which was a pretty good walk, you know. Nice weather. It's like, it's the last waning days of summer, but the thing that's nice about that is that you'll get a little bit of a breeze on the really nice sunny days. You might get 65 degrees with a slight breeze. That's I like that. That's good stuff. But yeah, so things are good. Looking forward to doing this mukbang. I'm gonna do I'll do that on Thursday. That seems like a good day to do a mukbang, doesn't it? Good Thursday mukbang. That's actually the day my daughter is going to get to meet her preschool teacher on a Zoom chat for the first time. So that's pretty snazzy. I will say, this whole Zoom school thing is for the birds. It's like, but you know, it's how it's got to be done, right? You know, hey. But it's a bummer. I can't, you know. It's like your first day at kindergarten, you do it at home. Aww. Although when I was really young, I was a pain in the butt. My mom had tried to get on the school bus, and I would just flat out refuse. My dad would have to come home from work and like go, rah, 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 and make me go to school. I was a naughty kid. I'll admit it. I'll be the first to admit it. I was a naughty kid. Yeah, I gave my parents fits. But that's okay, right? Anyways, I'm sure if they were around right now, they'd be saying, "No! We would have preferred that you gave us fits about other things. You're giving me a fit. You've graduated high school and you're only 6. You're like Doogie Howser." See, that would have been all right. But anyways, here is our, wow, that's a lot of noodles. A lot of noodles in this bowl, ladies and gentlemen. Usually I think when I did the other reviews, I microwaved these, and I just thought it might be better to not microwave them and do them the old-fashioned way. I smell getting a lot of tomatoes, some cumin, I think. We shall see. Cheers. Yeah, this will be a beast of a mukbang. This is spicy. Look at the broth. It's nice and dark. It's solid. It's got a good amount of heat. It's got like a nice fresh vegetable-y flavor. And the noodles are nice and plump. I like that. That's a good one. Okay. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. Bowl. So I went to the store this morning and I laid out 15 bucks, okay? Okay? I'm really going all out on this one. Now, I need some cheese. What cheese we got? Cheddar Jack, that'll work. And it's already been opened. I hate opening something just to use a tiny amount of it. Go. But I want to do the cheese first while this stuff is still hot. Let's just get a little bit of cheese here. Just a little bit. Coriander. I mean cilantro. Yeah. My wife would kill me if I said that. We've got some beef. I sauteed this beef in some what do you call it? Tapatio. Now, my wife's grandfather Manuel, he has a saying that she told me about. Put an egg on it. Always say, put an egg on it. So that is what I'm doing. These beautiful eggs are courtesy of my lovely wife. She really can soft boil an egg, let me tell you. That's why I've given up. I'm just like, sweetie, can you soft boil a couple eggs for me? She never has a problem doing it because it only takes her like, gosh, she's so quick at it and she never screws it up. Okay, how was I gonna do this? I'm like trying to come up with every single angle I can to put in this bowl. These are like the freaking best. Can you see? Yeah, these are like the best freaking tortilla chips ever. Just so you know. If you don't have them where you're at, it's a real bummer because these things are frickin' wondrous. Come on, looking for full-sized ones. They're really easy to like put your hand in the bag and just mindlessly eat them. That should do. Yeah. I'm gonna add some sour cream. Let go, sour cream. Come on. Okay. I really wanted it to make it off the spoon because I'm also going to add some. Holy moly. Actually, this is funny that I say holy because this is holy guacamole. Add some holy guacamole. Yummy. And then I've got, you've got like all these different things right now at the store for dirt cheap. Got like this little can of green chilies, roasted green chilies for like 20 cents. I'll put those right about there. Was that everything? I think that was everything, ladies and gentlemen. I'll put on a little bit of chili pepper flake just to round things out. Oh, wait a second. It's Tapatio ramen. I'll add some Tapatio hot sauce. That seems logical, doesn't it? Okay, let's get everything out of the way. We can have a nice rotato session. It's kind of tough. I really want to eat all this, but maybe I will. I don't know. But I'm not doing a mukbang today. No, sir. Not mukbang day. No. This is like polka music. Okay, let's find something that's actually. be one coming up. There we go. Roteto, do your thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to the folks at United Exchange Corporation for shooting over this Tapatio ramen. Yeah, go check them out. Look up Tapatio ramen online. I've seen it at like gas stations, places like that. You'll be able to find it. It's on Amazon too. All right, this has been Oz the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.